Hey YouTube, Darren here. I want to show you one of the latest acquisitions. Don't hate me because I'm beautiful. It's a Murray GT. Now that in and of itself is not that great. But comes factory with an 820. Got a Peerless 820 with it. It's got a 17 horsepower opposed twin, and it's all set up, and it cranks and runs, and it also comes with its own red wasp nest. Hence this. See this. I was draining the fuel out, and I've been messing with it. There goes one now. Been messing with it for about an hour, and bumped it over, looked in the fuel tank. It's half water and half fuel, and the fuel that's in there looks like bourbon. So draining it out, there he goes, he's just all buzzing around mad, and decided I'd go ahead and drain it, and battery died on me. So took the battery out, got it going on charge and everything, nothing, and then had the hood on and off, and we unloaded it. Frank dropped them off. Got this one up around Florence or Muscle Shoals. I'll show you the other one too. And oh, there goes one. So, and then the damn things come out. Let's see if I can kill him. Nope. No joy. Hang on. I think they're gone now. Man, I hate those things. They're those big red orange ones. They're about 1.5 inches long. So you can see it's in really good shape still. The rear tires hold air, which is great. Love those rims. Those things are going to come in so handy. The front rims, we're absolutely going to keep them because it ain't nothing to throw some good tires on those, and you'll have mud tires all the way around it. Okay, now we're back, guys. Show you though, this is the other one he brought down. Murray 17.5 42-inch cut wide body. He said he didn't know if the motor ran or not, which is okay because, don't cry guys, it's got a Tecumseh in it, but it's a 17.5 Tecumseh. So we may try to spend a little time and bump it over and see what we can get out of it. Seat's in good shape. Everything else is in good shape. We love doing these because they are easy peasy, and you can see it is a factory 6-speed, which ain't gonna be nothing to do. We're gonna use them to mix and match parts and pieces and make a mud mower for my friend Frank. He was the one that came over and poured the water on me during that the ice bucket challenge thing. One of my oldest friends up in Muscle Shoals, and drove down today with these two mowers, and he came down and rode, and we spent the day together. So hanging out, going to the sporting goods stores and everything. So it was fun. Thanks for coming down, Frank. I really appreciate that. What we're going to do, I'm going to spray this thing with some bug killer, and I may end up leaving it for today and just let these guys die, because I sure don't want to get stung messing with them. But I'm really tickled because I got another freaking 820 finally. This is going to be a great platform. Everything's already set up. It cranks up. Heck, we might try to crank it up regardless of the red wasp. And there is one of those nasty little things. Man, those things hurt. Alright guys, more to come. Hey guys, I don't know where the wasps are, so keep an eye out for them. Damn, he's back. Ah. Got him. Stupid red wasp. Oh, there's another one. More to come. Hey guys, now we're back. I want to show you. Stuck a rag down in there, and this is a long peg hook that I have. That's just one way I was getting all that crap out. You can see that guy. Now, more to come. Hopefully they won't be back for a minute. So you can see I was able to get that really clean now. So what we're going to do, I've already flushed the line out with good gas, and we'll see what we can do about the hood real quick. Get this thing cranked up. Still got to finish that up. Probably gonna happen tomorrow, but I figured out how to put the hood on so it won't be a problem. All right guys, more time. Too bad. Still idled a little high. Carburetor's full of mud and water still. We're gonna go through it and get it all cleaned up. Hey, can't beat it. The 820 works, and the motor cranks and runs. Can't beat it. Okay guys, now we're back. It actually is idling a lot better now. Revved it up, kind of blew a little bit out. Carburetor's going to need to be gone through. Can't really ride it or anything because that tire's knocked off the rim. We'll get that squared away. I've got some other stuff I want to do before I run out of time today. We're going to wrap it up here. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for sharing to the videos. I put everybody's name up on the whiteboard. Tomorrow, in tomorrow's video, got some more stuff we got to do today. Y'all gonna make some mayhem, guys.